Xinxiang North Filter Company Limited, established in 2000, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of air filters, water filters, and oil filters, such as pre-panel filter, bag filter, V-bank filter, HEPA filter, string wound filter, etc. We are located in Xinxiang City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including filter paper pleating machines, glue machine, cutting machine, and HEPA filter testing machine. We test our HEPA filter one by one. Deficiency can reach EN1822H14 standard. Our products are widely used in gas turbine, medical, electronics, food industry. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Norway, Korea, Egypt, Chile, and Vietnam. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Welcome to contact us.
We accept bespoke inquiries. Your satisfaction is our target. Welcome to contact us. North Filter will be your right choice.